Hello, my name is Flores from the California Farm Worker Foundation, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our rapid take-home test that we're handing out to our farm workers and farm workers communities in Tulare, Kern, and Fresno County. I'll be going over what's inside each box and then how to actually administer a test step by step. So first, we'll go ahead and remove what's inside of each box. Each box will come with 2 swabs, right? They will each come with 2 reagent bottles. So this is the second one. And then each reagent bottle will also come with its own dropper. So this will be used to actually administer the droplets into the testing tube. So we'll leave this for now. And then the 2 actual testing tubes or cartridges that we'll be using that will show you your results. Before you actually begin to open any of the items themselves, we have to make sure that we have sanitized hands. In this case, I'll be using hand sanitizer, but normally you can just wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds, and then just make sure you're thoroughly washing your hands properly. Make sure everything's disinfected. Okay, so first, what you'd like to do is you're gonna go ahead and open one of these up. It's the little kit inside the tube. It should look exactly like this. Right? It has a C line and a T line, and then I'll go over a little bit more about that once the results actually start coming in. But that's how you'll be able to determine if you have a positive or negative result, or also an invalid result. But yeah, okay. So then after that, you'll go ahead and open up one of your bottles with the reagent. It's just simple as that. You remove it from there. You go ahead and place it into a little placeholder so that it's nice and steady there. And then you'll go ahead and grab one of the swabs. You'll open it up. And then this is the next step. This is important that you do 5 circular rotations for a total of 15 seconds per each side of the nostril, making sure you get enough nasal secretion so that the results can be as accurate as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now, right? Okay, and sometimes it's okay if you go a little bit more. Okay, and so you'll get your swab, you'll go ahead and insert it into the reagent, and you'll give 5 swirls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as that's done, you'll go ahead and pull out your little bottle, and what you'll do is you're gonna squeeze the tube so that you can go ahead and pull out the Q-tip, and you know that the majority of your nasal secretion stays within the reagent itself, like that, right? After that's done, you'll go ahead and place the Q-tip back into its containment. You put it aside, or if you have trash, you can go ahead and dispose of it, and then you'll get one of the droppers, like this one. You'll go ahead and just firmly place it in there, right? After that's done, you'll give it a little flick, and then just so that your nasal secretion can mix well with the reagent, and you'll go ahead and have it over 90 degrees and insert 3 droplets. One, 2, 3. Okay, you place this back, and the reagent will travel up the strip itself, and in 10 minutes you should get a result. So now that your 10 minutes have passed, we can go ahead and look at our results. We also have to make sure to read the results in between a time frame of 10 to 15 minutes. Anything past 15 minutes, you won't be able to use those results as a valid result. So make sure that you put your time for 10, and then if for whatever reason you can't make it within those 10 minutes, you do not exceed 15 minutes. But like you can see from the beginning of the video, this is what a negative test would look like. it's one purplish reddish line at the C letter. A positive test result would be a purple reddish C line plus a blue T line, as you can see right here. Another thing I want to mention is that you can see this is a bright, I guess bright reddish purplish C line. If there happens to be a line that is faint, but you can see that it goes from edge to edge, like in the example here, this is still a valid test result. It doesn't have to be as bright as the first example, as long as the line is present and it touches each band touches edge to edge. It is a valid result. There is another result, a third one. It's an invalid result. These are some examples of what an invalid is. Just one blue T line or no lines whatsoever. If that is the case, you must retest so that you can get your results. And that can be from not swabbing enough, so you have to make sure you do your 5 rotations and for a minimum of 15 seconds per nostril, or putting too much reagents into the tab itself. So make sure you do the 3 drops only, or not reading the results from the 10 to 15 minute time period. If you have any questions in regards to these tests, just please call our call center at 559-710-2000. We are open from Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Thank you.